Millie, and she has to come to the standpipe to get water. We're going to turn it off, but it's a standpipe that is used for the water. And we're going to look at the house inside as well. Come, Miss Nelson. This is Millicent is Miss Gwendolyn, and this is where Miss Gwendolyn lives. Miss Gwendolyn is actually a retired teacher, and on the pension she's receiving, this is the kind of accommodation she can afford, which is really unfortunate. We're going to take a quick look inside. So right over here is the kitchen. This is the bacon stuff. Okay, so this is the kitchen over here. So a picture of the kitchen. Again, a retired teacher living on a pension, which is just totally unacceptable. Over here, this is the entrance. Really an extension of the kitchen as well. You see a stove over here, a washing machine over there, and pots and pans over here. You have one room through here, which is where Millicent stays. So this is Millicent's room. Right through there, you have this is the bathroom right here. Okay, and you see over here that's the toilet, which is connected to a sewage system which is backing up for many years now, and they can't afford to fix it. We go back out, and then we go over to Miss Gwendolyn's bedroom, which is here. So she and her husband lives in this room. You see the condition, which is really deplorable. And there's the makeshift closet. Really sad for a retired teacher. And then you have a little back here, which is where they have some storage happening over here. You see the roof, which is just near the caving in, pretty much. And we go out through the back door here. Watch your step. Watch your step. This is the backyard here. This is the old sewage system which has been there for many years, which is now backing up and going into the house. So they have a hard time dealing with that. And this is where it leads over to here. And, we try to use this to shunt away the sewage. And this is the back side of the kitchen that we looked at earlier. And this is the general structure. Really bad for a retired teacher to be living in. We hope we can at some point help, but it's very hard because there's so many people in desperate position needing help and assistance. The people across the road there, we spoke to earlier on, they're living without water in their house as well. So they also have to come to the standpipe. This is E3, by the way, in Braze River. There used to be a pipe here, eh? Yeah, but somehow it's all cut off now and it's just the main there. Yeah, so this is Braze River, a part of my Northeast St. Elizabeth constituency. And we're going to work with the people to try to get some water systems back into the homes. And maybe we can even get some assistance for Miss Gwendolyn. Yeah. Okay.
Run.
I can imagine. Run for your life, eh? Okay. So, sorry? Okay, so again, we're here at Miss Gwen's place, just out by Braze River, on the road to E3. Lacking water, sewage problem, and of course, very poor living conditions. We hope to work and to correct this. We implore those in charge to please help us to get some water into these homes, alright? Nice meeting you, and thanks for having us over. All the best. My pleasure. Oh,
problem are the
best leader.
Yes, are the importing across the problem.
Michael man.
yeah, but because
One of the best leaders.
he was serious about helping the poor.
What? That the man help
The
poor.
problem is these two parties get used to keeping us poor.
That is it.
They still love the poor enough.
Love him well.
But while no, they love him. He said Manly loved the poor in that he wanted to change. Them love the poor that they want to keep the poor. Because the poor vote for them.
Yes.
That is it.
You understand?
That is it.
And the poor vote for them, yes.
Always.
So they can
And
come and buy.
as long as you're poor, you
Yes,
have to
partner.
vote.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever time, yes,
You
whenever
have
time
to
they come
vote.
up, because you are expecting
Exactly.
help.
Yes.
You understand?
And
So
they come and give you a little $5,000.
yes,
They give you a bus ride, they give you a t-shirt, they give
just
you a
like
cap.
that, just like that.
So we have to stop it now.
So it's more promise more than help. More
If
promise more than help.
if we in Northeast say, listen, we're not Jamaica here, you stay there. Let us make the difference here. So I guarantee you, if we elect the UIC the next election, everything changes the parliament. Because now guess what? They'll now have a third voice.
Inside there.
A true thing, you know.
You understand me?
A true thing.
A third voice will now be there.
Yes.
And now they have to be on the P's and Q's.
They can't do as them like.
Exactly.
There is no competition.
No
That is
competition.
it.
Because the two of them are the same.
You are the same.
That's what
And-
that's
and-
what we
and
never
the
know.
system.
Here what we never know. Here what we never know. I have been explaining this to people. Are the same group that fund both of them.
Okay.
They call them the PSOJ oligarchs.
Okay.
The same set of rich people them. Buy both of them. So no matter who win,
They come to them and
it come to them.
Yeah.
Say
That is
if
it.
PNP win, I steal them in
Ah,
charge.
Joe.
If PLP
They
win,
win,
I
I
steal them in
steal
charge.
them.
The
Yeah.
only people who will suffer is you see those who depend on the party.
Yes.
That
When
is
the
it.
party was the power, them hungry.
they're hungry.
But the big people them at the top that fund the two of them never hungry.
No, them and they can't.
Because they
And
control it.
There is a next thing too.
Yeah.
There's a next thing too, brother. Sometimes they will carry a new leader.
Yes.
Like for instance,
Yes.
Northeast, you understand? Central
Exactly.
Belt. Need a new MP.
Exactly.
A new MP come.
Yeah.
But the system will not
Won't change.
never change.
So what, remember last
Because
election?
the group remain the same.
Look at, not to cut you, but look at the JLP in the last couple of, from 2016 with the first one
Yes, sir.
to 2020. Look at what they did. Remember when they were running, they were bringing a little young lady, a little doctor lady. What's her name again? She was a fashion beauty queen. Like a nice lady that they bring in for full way up. And remember how she was all over the place? Where should they know? You don't see her again?
No.
And you remember when the little fella there run in the last election for the PNP? That's the fella, yes.
Basilio.
When they know?
In last.
Exactly. So what happened is they come here, they just want to vote.
That is it.
And when they get
You
to
don't
vote,
vote with it.
what they do, they get a seat now at the table.
Aye, and sit down.
And at the table they get access to taxpayers' money. And now you move from having no car to having 4 cars. Having a piece of house to having a big house. You understand?
Exactly.
You have to go a KPH when you're sick. Now you can fly out
Okay.
to Florida when you're sick.
Florida,
yes,
So
sir.
that's what I want.
Yeah.
So when they get elected, they become exponentially wealthy. A man who have nothing at all. Look at them. I know you all love Roger Clark, but how much land he end up owning? I not pick for him, but I just want to share one example, right?
love him.
Yeah, but what will happen? When he came into power, he was a little technician about the Africa.
Me know everything, sir.
Yeah, you know.
Me know every goddamn
And
night.
look
You can know them,
how,
man.
by the time him leave,
Expand.
how much him own?
Yeah.
How come?
All right,
How
sir.
come you couldn't own that much then? How come outside of politics we can't make it?
Can't
It's
make
only
it.
if we go in politics we suddenly can buy all the land in the world.
That's the trick, brother.
Yeah.
That is the trick.
What really happened?
Yeah.
With Roger Clark come here,
Yeah.
right? Out there, happy with his daughter.
Yes.
And he's going to
Minister of the Parish Council first.
Parish
Council
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
yeah. kill him and me a black.
Yes. I noticed how much piece of property were bought up. Where the money comes from? How you going to politics and suddenly have so much money? politics are paying only couple of just they raise the salary.
Yeah.
Prior to that, it was a lot of money. So how come them can buy up so much? Exactly. And you set up front companies now. You set up your friend them now. You have certain people like in a Santa Cruz who become your front man. And them now get the contract. You are the back, you behind it. You're pretending you don't know nothing. And him get the contract now. And when the contract comes, let's say the road was supposed to be fixed for, let's say, 10 million. If you do it properly, it will cost 10 million. But you don't do it properly. So it costs you 3.5 million. And the other 6.5 now gone. And that now gets to buy land your son. And because we're in the system now, title issue, quick. Everything works. How long now some people are waiting for title around this? Exactly. Look how long you wait. Look how long you wait.
One Jamaica TV.